the Northwest Arkansas Weather Authority.
Hi, everyone. Chief Meteorologist Dan Scoff from the Weather Lab. We now have a confirmed tornado. There's debris being indicated on the radar. This is a storm that's in Cherokee County. It's moving towards Adair County. It's still a little outside of our weather coverage area, the actual storm is, but the warning does clip western Adair County. That's why we're breaking on to television. We have been doing constant severe weather coverage, monitoring all this, showing the strengthening of the rotation. We'll do some radar tracks. We'll let you know exactly where the storm is headed. So let's get to the information. Notice how the warning polygon has changed with a black line in the middle. This is a confirmed tornado. And if we zoom in on this and we show you the circulation, it is an intense circulation that could be going through Keys. Again, it looks like it's north of Keys, but sometimes the radar is showing upper levels of the atmosphere. And this is this radar beam is about 2,700 feet above the ground. So Keys, you need to be taking your tornado precautions immediately. Now, I want to draw some streets on here just to let you know where we're at. We are in Cherokee County, and I'm going to put some roads on here. Here's the 22,600 block of King Road 74. So here's King Road that's located. Then you got N4540 Road. This is going to be the area as the tornado crosses over that region into Cherokee County. Now, obviously, this is rough and rugged terrain. It's difficult to spot. In Welling, you can see this storm as well. Here's a look at Welling Road. And this is, again, in the 21,000 block of Welling Road. You need to be taking your tornado precautions immediately as this storm has shown strong signs of rotation. If we look at the rotation, in between Park Hill and Keys is where that location is going to be. And when we look at this, you're going to see debris that has been reported with the storm that's showing up at about 2,700 feet in the atmosphere. So there you can see Park Hill, Indian Meadows, Green Country Estates on your radar screen. That is a little bit north of the circulation. The reason we're also letting you know about this is this storm is tracking to the northeast, and this is making a beeline for, as you know, Adair County, because the tornado warning includes Adair County. However, this could hold together and move into southwestern Benton County and possibly clip northwestern Washington County with a confirmed tornado. Well, let's do a storm track on this, let you know where this is headed. Again, a lot of energy. This is a strong system coming through.
The sirens are now sounding, by the way, in Tahlequah.
In Tahlequah. Okay, they got the sirens working. They're sounding. Good information. Let's go ahead and we'll do a radar track on this. So here we're bringing up the radar, and we'll be able to do a storm track on this. I want to get the latest speed of the warning. And so this is a tornado warning that's been issued, and it goes until 3:15. It's moving northeast at 45. That storm track is so important. You've got to get it as accurate as you can. The circulation is just to the south of Tahlequah. It is moving northeast. I'm going to take this over time, even though it doesn't officially include Siloam Springs. Here you'll look at the actual circulation moving over Sanders at 3:14, moving over Eldon before that at 3:07. Take your tornado precautions in Eldon. Downstairs, under something, center house, keep away from windows. Westville at 3:26. Cincinnati, well, we know Cincinnati. That's definitely an area that was impacted on December 31st, 2010. West Siloam Springs at 3:37. You also have Siloam Springs at 3:40. If it does hold together, there's a possibility that, in fact, this does make it into Siloam Springs. It is something that we'll have to watch, and I would say that this is going to be tracking towards the Siloam Springs area. So we do have a very, very strong storm with a confirmed tornado reported in Cherokee County, and the tornado is being reported by radar, so you can kind of see that little debris signature. Let's go ahead and we'll bring that back up on Mega Doppler, so a lot going on here with this storm. So we're bringing up Mega Doppler. Now I want you to look at weather. We still have that weather camera loaded.
Siloam Springs, looking to the south and west.
Looking to the south and west. That's why you can't see the motion quite as much on the low-level jet. Okay, gotcha. But here's a look at the correlation coefficient. If I step back in time, you're going to see this turn kind of like a bluish color. So this right here is debris that's being picked up on the radar. So it's tree limbs, it's twigs, it's leaves. It could be damage to structures and property. We don't know that yet, but we know that the radar is measuring some type of debris in the air, because it says, you know what, this is not all the same size and shape in this radar bin in this little area, and so that is debris that's being confirmed by the radar, and that's why that polygon has changed to a black outline with the tornado warning. So Alexander, strong storm system continuing to move in. What do we have from the latest on NWS chat? By the way, Northwest Arkansas between 2 to 5 o'clock could really be under the gun. I would say 3 to 5 o'clock, obviously, since we're not quite here yet. We're at 3 o'clock right now, and it's just starting to move into Northwest Arkansas.
Yeah, it says weak debris signature. It continues just south of Tahlequah. That was a couple minutes ago. Looks like the Storm Prediction Center issued a new mesoscale discussion.
Let me go ahead and look at that, and we'll read that.
They're mentioning James Adelholt, or
Adelot.
Yeah, he mentioned that the storms aren't tall. There are some evidence at 4,000 feet from there, as far as, and I'm sure they're talking
the TDS,
about the TDS.
how high the TDS is, so kind of a weaker tornado. There has been a correlation to the height of the TDS, which is the tornado debris signature, and the strength of the tornado. So that's just what he's talking about there.
So it looks like 5,700 feet from INX.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's the height. That's the height of the debris. All right, let me bring up the mesoscale discussion here real quick, and we'll take a look at what that entails. So bear with me here just a second.
Yep. So that's the Storm Prediction Center, and they're the ones that have been issuing a lot of the watches. They've been watching and monitoring the severe weather situation, and they give us meteorologists updates based on what their thoughts are on the latest trends of the model and everything. They're looking at the surface observations. They're taking all of that, and then they're analyzing it, and then they give us an update on their thoughts.
And I'm not seeing it showing up on here. Let's see if I don't have it loaded properly. Well, maybe it's just coming out now, so it might not have hit the system yet. There it is. 144. No, that's old.
That's an old one?
Yeah, it's not out. It's not quite out
yet.
Oh, the mesoscale discussion is for southeast. Okay, that's why. It's not so
for
far.
us.
No, it's so far south. Yeah, 259. That is for the Dallas-Fort Worth area.
Okay.
Strong tornado or two, so that's not even our area. Yep. All right, well, let's go back to the radar. Let's do another storm track on this. Are we still on TV, Charles? Okay, yeah, the reason we're on TV, we got a dangerous tornado that is confirmed with debris. It's moving northeast. We can drop off a television because it still hasn't made it into western Adair County, but we'll continue to keep you updated with the latest. We're doing constant coverage on severe weather with Facebook, with our streaming NWA Weather Authority app, but we will end this TV cut-in right now, and we'll return you back to programming. We're continuing to watch this storm. Take your tornado precautions. Know what you're going to do in about an hour, hour and a half as this storm starts to approach Northwest Arkansas. Keep it here with your Weather Authority for the latest severe weather information.